are here at Johnson City Eye Clinic. I am joined by Cindy and Andrea. Thank you so much for having us, Cindy. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, of course. So we are talking about this wonderful treatment that you all offer, and Andrea is our wonderful model today. So thank you for letting us follow your story. Tell me a little bit about what we're talking about today.
Okay, we're talking about the Lipiflow treatment. It's a treatment specifically for dry eye. We're trying to get Andrea a little more comfortable in her contact lenses so she can wear them all during the day. Just trying to get her more comfortable so she doesn't have to put drops in.
Right.
Make her feel better.
And do you find that a lot of people with dry eyes are those that are maybe just using contacts for the first time, or this treatment is specifically anchored towards people who just have dry eyes normally all the time?
Normally all the time. There's a good variety of people. No age limit, it's everyone.
Okay.
Everyone.
And so this Lipiflow, this is the kind of treatment, this is what it's called, right?
It is.
And so tell me a little bit about the history of this and how long people have been using this and how it works.
Okay, so Lipiflow has probably been out for since 2004. It's fairly new to our area. It started out on the West Coast. We found out that the treatment actually helps within 12 to 24 months. Everybody's a little bit different. You still have to do things at home with it. It is not a cure. So it is only a treatment, and we can't have it repeated if you need.
Okay, and so how long do usually the effects last, or how long can people start seeing the effects of it?
6 to 8 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah, 6 to 8 weeks.
And do you find that patients, when they come in and they have dry eyes, because that can be really tough. I mean, your eyes are your windows to your life, right? I mean, you need them to really function. And so people who have dry eyes, they just have a hard time functioning day to day. And so
Yes.
when they come and see you for the Lipiflow, what is their reaction when they first get it and they start seeing those effects?
We have people who are able to get back in contact lenses. They're happy about that because you can usually see better with those. You can actually read. You can drive a little farther if you need. People can actually travel. You don't have to use drops as often, so you're not limited throughout the day. And it's usually about 80-85% of people who get benefit from it.
Wow.
So it's pretty large.
Wow. And when it comes to eyes, I think a lot of people either are willing to do anything or are really nervous about anything to do with their eyes.
Yes.
What would you say to those viewers out there that are maybe fall in one of those categories?
Don't be afraid of the treatment. It is perfectly safe. We do bring you in for a consult to first of all see if you're even a candidate for it, because not everybody needs it. If you don't need it, there are things that we can do otherwise. But if you are a candidate for it, it's very relaxing, it's very massaging. It feels really good.
Wonderful. Well, walk me through the process of getting this treatment done.
Okay, so the Lipiflow treatment is a thermal pulsation. It's an activator that I actually place inside the eye that sits on the eyelid. That activator heats up to 108.5 degrees. The plate on the outside will pulse and literally drain the gland. Your body has to regenerate the oil, and then you want your own body to generate oil, so you don't have to use as much over-the-counter treatments.
Right. Wow. And so when people first hear that you are putting something on their eyeballs, and then also hearing that it's going to be heated above 100 degrees, how would you explain to people that this really does help? This is not as scary as it sounds.
It is not scary at all. It's just like a warm compress. Very relaxing.
Oh, wonderful. Well, Andrea, we're going to talk to you in a little bit once you get the treatment done to hear your take on it, and we can't wait to get you started. So, Cindy, I'll let you go ahead and get started on the treatment.
Okay, perfect.
right, well, we just finished Andrea's treatment, and so Cindy, walk us through the treatment again and kind of recap it for us.
Okay, so Andrea just had the Lipiflow treatment for dry eye. What we did is place an activator in each eye. It's a thermal pulsation that heated up to 108.5 degrees. The outside piece actually pulsed and massaged the outside of the glands to empty it. So we've drained all of her oil glands. So now we just wait for her body to reproduce the oil and see if her dry eye is better.
Wonderful. And so, Andrea, we were kind of talking when you were getting the treatment done, which shows you just how relaxed she was during the treatment. What made you want to get the Lipiflow done?
I've had trouble with dry eyes for a good while now, and I even notice a difference in my vision, you know, so it gets very irritated feeling and uncomfortable, and I've been just wanting some relief from that.
Right. And so describe to me what you were kind of thinking about while the treatment was going on. Was it as scary as you maybe thought it was going to be?
Not at all. It's very surprising. It's soothing and it's kind of relaxing, really. So it was not bad at all. No pain at all.
Wonderful. Kind of like the warm compress you were talking about,
It is.
right? Yeah.
Very massaging.
Very massaging, very soothing, like Andrea said. That's a good word to describe a treatment for that, and definitely something that you are excited to see the benefits of. Well, thank you so much for letting us follow you along. And of course, you want to say if people are interested in this, they can call you all and set up an appointment to get a consultation, right?
Of course they can, yes. Just call our main number, the 929-2111. We'll get you in for a dry eye consult. We'll get you in with one of the doctors if it's needed.
Wonderful. Well, ladies, thank you again so much. We appreciate you following or letting us follow you along, and we appreciate you kind of explaining the whole Lipiflow for the benefit of dry eyes. Thank you so much again, and make sure you give Johnson City Eye Clinic a call today to see if you are right candidate for Lipiflow.